Congratulations! Your PhonePe HDFC Bank credit card has arrived. Get ready to make the most of it with the PhonePe app. Set it up effortlessly and start paying right from your phone. Before you can start using your PhonePe HDFC Bank credit card, let's set up the ATM PIN. Open your PhonePe app, scroll down and tap on Manage HDFC Card. On this page, tap Set PIN. This will securely redirect you to the HDFC Bank portal. Simply enter your card's CVV and expiry date to create your ATM PIN. Great! Your ATM PIN has been set. Now, start using your card for UPI payments. Head back to the Manage HDFC Card page on PhonePe. Tap Set UPI PIN. Now, enter your card's last 6 digits and expiry date and CVV. You will receive an OTP on your registered number. Enter the ATM PIN you just created. Now, create your new 4 or 6 digit UPI PIN. Confirm it and you are all set. And now for the best part. Get your entire joining fee coming right back as 100% cashback. For the HDFC Bank Ultimo credit card, you get Rs 499 cashback as a PhonePe gift voucher on the first successful PhonePe transaction and Rs 50 cashback through scratch cards for the next 10 transactions. For the HDFC Bank Uno credit card, you get Rs 249 cashback as a PhonePe gift voucher on the first successful PhonePe transaction and Rs 25 cashback through scratch cards on the next 10 transactions. Not only this, managing your PhonePe HDFC credit card is just as simple. Go to the Manage HDFC Card page anytime. Want to see your statements or limits? Head to Card Control. And if you wish to change your UPI PIN, it's right there. You can also track all your benefits so far, all at the same page. And when you're ready to pay your bills, just tap Credit Card Bill Payment and start paying. It's that simple. You can also shop or redeem your reward points anytime. Go to Card Management and click on Card Control. You will be securely redirected to the HDFC Bank homepage. Click on Shop and Redeem. Next, click on Redeem Now. You will be taken to the net banking portal where you can use your points to redeem cash, products or vouchers as per your preference. Pay seamlessly and enjoy amazing benefits on everyday spends with your PhonePe HDFC Bank credit card.